Ali Larter shares her secrets to maintaining an impressive physique at 49. This week, actress Ali Larter shared personal insights into her fitness journey, revealing the regimen that helps her maintain a remarkable figure. In an Instagram post, she showcased the results with a photo of herself donning a red string bikini, looking toned and confident in her on-set trailer. Ali began by addressing her followers, particularly women who strive to bring their best to the table every day. She inquired, "Let's hear how you do it." This introduction led to her sharing a detailed rundown of her preparation for a bikini scene on her show, Landman, where she portrayed a character completely at home in her own body. Daily routine, Ali explained, that her day starts with a good night's sleep, ensuring she's in bed by 11 p.m. She takes magnesium and GABA supplements and wakes up refreshed at 5:30 a.m. Her morning routine includes a celery juice and coffee, followed by a 6 a.m. gym session where she does a 30-minute interval run and 10 minutes of core exercises. Following a shower, she splashes her face with ice water and applies oil to maintain the spray tan. By 7 a.m., she heads to work, making sure her tan is evened out and ready for the day. After her gym session, Ali treats herself to another coffee and a breakfast of lemon water, eggs, and turkey bacon. She dedicates 10 minutes to deep breathing exercises, which help her stay calm, focused, and confident as she reviews her material. Getty Images. The actress wrapped up her post by encouraging others to share their own tips for feeling and looking their best, ending with a playful XO. Her fans responded enthusiastically, flooding the comments with praise. Juice, gym, steam, cream. Ali also spoke with Page 6 about her wellness strategy, emphasizing a routine she calls juice, gym, steam, cream. Ali starts her mornings with either a steam session or a run to kickstart her circulation, paired with ample hydration. Running plays a significant role in her fitness routine, where she jogs 3 times a week, covering 4 to 5 miles. She also incorporates strength training on alternate days. To keep her skin radiant, Ali follows a hydrating skincare regime, with favourite products like La Mer's Crème de la Mer and Weleda Skin Food. She even shares a no-cost tip, icing her face to tighten the skin and enhance her complexion. Ali stars alongside Jon Hamm, Demi Moore and Billy Bob Thornton in the series Landman, currently filming its 2nd season. Her dedication to health and wellness is truly inspiring.